the advocate have boycotted attendance of Maua Court. Reason being that our magistrates have been transferred without any replacement for more than a year now. And what we have now in Maua, it is a very worsening situation. We're even to get a rate for a simple mention, we are waiting for 6 months. Like now, our rates for next year diary has been closed. It is difficult to get a rate now, even for half of next year. We are now in July, we are in August, and we are closing the year, when 2024 has not yet even come to an end. We have written to Judicial Service Commission, we have written to the Registrar of Magistrates, and even to Chief Justice herself, but they have neglected to do the replacement. Maua Law Court presently is supposed to have 6 magistrates, because historically 3 magistrates have been transferred without any replacement. It's a very litigious community. It is a court that stands at the center of the 3 Egembe regions, where there are so many cases, especially land cases. And the 2 magistrates, they have been overworked, and even some are getting sick because of the workload in Maua. So today we have boycotted attendance of cases in Maua. And as a Meru, in the greater Meru County, we have issued notice again that come 15th of January next year, there shall be no courts which we shall operate. We shall not attend courts from 15th of January, entire Meru County, all the counties placed in Meru County, until the problems in Maua is sorted. When you come here, you get a simple date to get for something very small, a miscellaneous application. You have to wait for the next 5-6 months because courts have so many matters. Today, this court and our court list of 86 matters. 94 matters, sorry, 94 matters, 1 court. And it is all magistrate who is expected to do all that, go rate judgment, rulings, and do many other things. This is the most unreasonable thing the judicial service, our judiciary is doing, to neglect such a business station.
Judiciary kwa hizo makesi zote, inafaa kupata hela. Kesi kama haishi haraka, hakuna further court fees, hakuna kuachiliwa kwa deposits za pesa, na on top of that, hakimu ni mtu, ni binadamu. Tunaelewa, mahakimu 3 kwa kesi backlog ya almost kesi 10,000 backlog. Ni hakimu 3, kwani yeye si binadamu, akuwe nafanya kesi 100 na kuna hakimu mwingine ambaye ako station nyingine anafanya kesi 5 kwa siku. Let the judiciary, let Mother Koome. Maua is not your begotten child, is not your forgotten child. We are not prodigal. This is a judicial court. This is not a kangaroo court. If you cannot staff your court, then close it down. Otherwise, resign. We will get somebody else. Right now, Maua Law Court with the backlog that it has, inahitaji magistrates 7.
Kwa hakika hapa Maua tuko na shinda. Wakati nilileta kesi yangu hapa nilikuwa naona kama itafanyika vile kesi huwa sinafanyika huko Nairobi ama Mombasa, kwa maana ni nyumba yangu imewekwa fence na mtu akindai amenunua. Nilikuwa nikitaka court order ya kuondoa hiyo, maana ni nyumba za biashara. Lakini haikuwezekana kwa ajili manjanji ni wandogo. Tafadhali Mheshimiwa Jaji Mkuu Martha Koome, hii Maua ni nyumbani kwako. Kwa nini kumekuwa na shinda, tunatezeka sisi wananchi na wewe ndio uko hapo juu? Tusaidie manjanji.